So, good afternoon. We are back again with update number 2 of 3. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Road to 60k is all on, and we're catching it real quick. That 60k is coming soon, and that'd be 6/10 of the way to the YouTube plaque. That'd be kind of nice, wouldn't it? Who would have thought that when we started this channel? But make sure you have stuck a massive thumbs up on this video as well. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. We're doing a giveaway within the next month on there. So keep your eyes peeled for that. You must be following me on Instagram, otherwise you're not eligible. So yes, the link is there in the description. We're going to speak today on this video about Aaron Ramsdale. Can I just say, who comes up with these prices? It's like a lucky dip. Oh, I'll tell you what. Arsenal want Ramsdale. Oh, yeah, 40 million. 40 mil. 40 million pounds. Are they sure? What are they smoking in Sheffield? Like, real talk. What are they actually smoking? It is mad. It is actually seems that they think that they can get 40 million quid for this goalkeeper. Number one, he ain't that good. Number two, he's 23. And number three, he's just been relegated after keeping a whole 5 clean sheets all season. And every time I've seen him, I've just thought, like, what's the hype? I don't get it. Genuinely don't understand what the hype is around this lad. It's quite clear that we're going to try and get a new goalkeeper because Leno wants out, and we've got Runnison as a backup. So it's quite obvious that we are actually going to go and sign a goalkeeper. Which one it's going to be, I'm not so sure. But excuse me, but we were linked a couple of weeks back with Andre Onana, and he's gone through his court case and his appeal and stuff like that, his tribunal. And he has been banned until November. So even if we was to sign him, listen, that goalkeeper's sick. I rate him a lot. But at the end of the day, he is banned until November, which is what? This league starts in August, September, October, November, 3 months without him. I'd still do that business. But then if we go and sign another goalkeeper for top dollar, then what? We're going to have the same situation as we had with Martinez and Leno. So it's always hard to go and get a goalkeeper that's going to want to sit and play second fiddle to the main man. You know, if I was a goalkeeper, I'd want to be the first choice. I wouldn't want to be second fiddle. We've obviously not got European competition as well. So I genuinely don't believe this story, man. I really don't. A lot of more credible sources are putting this out there now saying that we are interested in him. And it is going to be around 40 million quid. Like, just saying Aaron Ramsdale and 40 million pounds. I'm sorry. That is just taking liberties. You know, they got him back from Bournemouth, I think it was, for 18.5 million on a 4-year deal. And that was only a year ago. So, listen, his value has not gone up by 60% or 65% since he came back to Sheffield United. Like, what basis are they putting this on? Because he got relegated. He was the goalkeeper in goal that got relegated with Sheffield United after keeping 5 clean sheets. His kicking ain't that great. His shot stopping ain't that great. All round, he just ain't a great goalkeeper. He's not an upgrade on what we've got in Leno. In fact, if anything, he's a lot worse. I don't want him. His positioning is useless as well. I've seen so many goals where I've just thought, like, rah, you could have saved that, mate. Your positioning is awful. So for me, it's a massive no-no. I don't want this guy anywhere near Arsenal. And for 40 million quid, yes, it's not my money, but why can't we spend that somewhere else? Why don't we go and get Matt Ryan? You know, Matt Ryan's on a free signing. I would much rather us go and sign Matt Ryan and then go and get Andre Onana and have them two as the goalkeepers for the season, because Matt Ryan's not too bad at all. Pretty good goalkeeper. He wouldn't mind rotating with Onana. And yeah, I think that would be the perfect scenario. Number one, he's free, so he ain't going to cost us 40 million quid. Onana's going to cost around 7 million max. So 7 million for 2 goalkeepers. You've saved 30 odd million quid. You then go and put that towards somebody else. And that's what I'd be doing. But listen, Arsenal move in mysterious ways. And every single time I see one of these transfer rumours, I just sit there like, are you sure, mate? Like, honestly, are you actually taking the mick? Because at the end of the day, we're not flush with money. We're not in European competition. We're not a great football team anymore. You know, we need to accept that. We're crap. You know, yes, we're a big football club. Yes, we're situated in the capital. Yes, we can pay top dollar. But at the end of the day, we've got a rookie manager, a rookie CEO, a rookie technical director, and owners that ain't got a Scooby how to run a football club. It's hardly setting the world alight. So, yeah, I just find it a little bit mad, some of these stories. I personally don't believe this story is true. It's out there. That's why I've done the video on it. But like I said, 40 million quid, that just don't make sense. Whoever's made that up, like, come on. Like, it just doesn't make sense to me. I'll be absolutely shocked and amazed if we go and sign this geezer for 40 million quid. He is in the England squad. Let's not forget that. He is now an England international. So there's the England tax put on top of it of probably about 50%, because he genuinely ain't worth 40 million quid. He ain't worth half of that, in my opinion. What they paid for him is probably about his true value, 18.5 million. You know, when you think that we let Martinez go and the price we let him go for, and then this price, it just don't make sense to me. So I'd love to know your thoughts on it. Do you actually rate him? You know, I've not seen anyone really saying, oh, yes, we should go and sign this goalkeeper this summer. So I'm not sure whether he's got any adoring fans within our fan base, but if you are one of them, leave it in the comment section down below and let me know. Don't forget to go and check out the last video I did as well. Make sure you go and check that one out. I dropped that about midday today. That was about Ben White. 40 million again rejected. We're apparently going back with another bid, I've seen as well today. So yeah, go and check that video out. I will be back at 10 o'clock tonight as well, so keep your eyes peeled for that. Make sure you got notifications stuck on. Excuse me. But yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts on the goalkeeper. If you do rate him, leave it in the comments. Let me know why. Let me know what goalkeeper you think we should sign. Are you like me, where you think we should potentially just go and get Matt Ryan? Rat Ryan. He can join the Rat Army. Rat Ryan and Andre Onana. For the sake of 7 million quid, we've got two decent goalkeepers there. One is absolutely quality in Onana, and the other one's a very, very, very good backup, isn't he? So yeah, I'd be more than happy to go and do both of them deals, if I'm honest. Plus, not only that, you know, it's just like, we're going to stick this guy, if we are interested in, we're going to stick him on a long contract. The sell on, if we had one, if we could get rid of him, ain't going to be any more than what we're buying him for. We're going to lose money on this goalkeeper. I'm telling you that now. Like I said, I don't personally think we're in for him anyway. It's out there. I've done the video. Give me your thoughts on all of that, and let me know what you think. And make sure you check out my Instagram as well, LeeGunner82. Like I said, I will be doing a giveaway on there within the next 4 weeks. So make sure you're following me. Otherwise, you are not included. And make sure you stick a big, big, big thumbs up on this video as well. Share the content around as well. I do appreciate that. I can see how many people do that per video, so that's always helpful. It doesn't tell me who's done it, but I can see the amount of people that do it each video. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Road to 60k is on like Donkey Kong, baby. And before we wrap up, you know the drill already. Make sure your Arteta out, Rat Army assemble, and Southgate out. The Wally in the waistcoat. We're out of here.